if you follow the channel, we have talked a bunch about the new Pixel 9 lineup, and specifically here, that Pixel 9 Pro XL, and it has been a crazy, surprise, amazing device. We're not sponsored by Google. We purchased it with our own money. All of the accessories you've seen on the channel to date, we have actually bought ourselves, and that leads us into this video. Since the new Pixel 9 series devices do charge at different speeds, a little bit better than they did in their predecessors, I want to talk to you about what the best charging options could be. And spoiler alert, if you guys follow the channel a lot, you probably have seen some of these before. They still hold true. They do future-proof your devices. So I want to go ahead and jump into some from Anker, portable chargers, regular chargers that you can actually plug in the wall, the whole slew of it. Let's run down the gambit and take a quick look. Let's go. First things first, Google has said now with this year's Pixel 9 lineup across the board, they do charge a little bit faster, with the Pixel 9 Pro XL going from 1 to 70% in about 30 minutes, and the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro going from 1 to 55% in that same 30-minute time period. Now, specifically surrounding the Pixel 9 XL, it can charge up to 37 watts with wired charging, 23 watts wireless charging, which are both improved from last year, and 5 watt of wireless reverse charging if you care about that. And the Pixel 9 Pro and regular 9 top out at 27 watts wired, and then the Pixel 9 Pro at 21 watts wireless and 15 watts wireless for the basic Pixel 9. So as you can tell, and more specific to the 9 Pro XL, now being able to get up to 37 watts of charging, you're going to want something with around 40 watts or plus of charging speed. And that leads us yet again to this baby here, that nice Anker charger. This is specifically the 313 that gets you up to 45 watts, which gives you a little extra cushion again for growth in next year's model, or if you jump around phones, one that will last quite a while here. And this is what I think a lot of you guys are going to be looking at, a specific fast charging wall adapter. Now with that obviously comes the need for a fast charging cable, and as always we love those metered cables that you can see right here. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this baby in and show you with the phone at what, 87% what it's going to pull in. So let me go ahead and plug this in really quick and show you what exactly we have. I do always love these metered cables. It shows you if you're getting power delivery and the wattage you're pulling in. As you can tell right there, it is 10 watts of power delivery. And you can see right now it says at 87% fast charging full by 1 o'clock. So that's quite a bit of time away. It's about 40 minutes away. But even with this higher state of charge, we're still pulling in about 14 to 15 watts. Not terrible at all, and always it's fun to see what you are charging at. Having said all that, we will have all these links below. Make sure to use those affiliate links. It definitely helps out the channel. We greatly appreciate it. Next, on the higher end of the spectrum for wireless charging as well, or portable charging I should say, is the 12,000 milliamp hour Anker power bank with that display on it to show you exactly how much charge you are giving to your devices. And you can use 2 USB-C ports at once to get that charge done. I always, again, like the metered and some of the extra information you can get from here. So if you like it, you have something like this. This will recharge this device and another one a multitude of times, actually. If you're looking for something a little more compact, but yet again with another screen, this Anker charger will actually charge you at 30 watts, so not quite maximum speed, but a good one to have. Thanks to the inbuilt USB-C cable here, you are able to actually charge it as needed at a somewhat decent rate. And again, you have that display to show you the battery percentage when it is discharging and recharging the actual battery bank. This is the 30 watt Fusion power bank with 5,000 milliamp hour battery, as you can tell here. And then the most portable option, again, is an Anker Special with that built-in USB Type-C cable, power button on the side, little LED indicator there to show you how much battery you have left. This is going to be the Nano power bank with 22.5 watts, so the slowest charger of the mix here, but the most compact and portable, with obviously a much smaller battery. This is another 5,000 milliamp as well though, but again, this will charge slower than any of these other devices. Again, not sponsored at any means by Anchor, but if someone in Anchor is watching these, please reach out to us. We love your stuff, as you can see, so plenty of other options here. I do like all of these options simply because they have cables built in. It's hard enough to travel with one cable. This, at least, you don't have to worry about an additional one. And you can see right off the bat, you plug this baby in, it is charging. And then same goes with obviously this portable power bank that's a little bigger. A little more flexibility there with the charging. But yeah. One call out I do want to mention with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, as you can see here, we have a higher rate of charge right now, or battery state. All of these, regardless of fast charging, will finish around 1 p.m. So, take your pick. Plenty of options here. There's a number of other third-party options on Amazon as well. Google does have their own 45 watt, or I think it's actually a 40 watt charger. You can obviously utilize that. You are paying a premium price since it is Google's own hardware. But yeah, I'll throw a link up to all of these items in the comments down below in the description. So let us know if you pick any up or if you have any other recommendations for other buyers. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.